Hello and welcome. I'm going to tell you about detectors itself. We will discover active area, dimensions, pixel spacing, detector parts, batteries and other things you would like to know about. We have here two detectors. First one is rigid, 1230. Second one is bendable or flexible, 1025F. Let's take a closer look and we will start with 1230. Detector itself looks like a solid brick. On the front panel you can see the marked active area with size of 12 by 30 centimeters and brand name SCANRAY. On the back side you can find the battery slot. To open battery slot, simply move these levers and open the hatch. Put the batteries in correct polar. Put the hatch back and move these levers back. On one of the sides you can see LED indicators and two buttons. One is a power button, second is a connection mode button. LED indicators. First one is the power indicators, shows the detector works. Second one is data LED, shows the detector is exchanging data with PC or tablet. Another one is battery indicator, shows the battery status. 100 to 50% this LED indicator will be green, from 50 to 20% yellow, 20% and below red. On another side you can find a slot for a handle, which can be useful in some cases. Protective case for 1230 detector is made of aluminum sheets with the rubber edges, attaching to the detector by rubber straps. All the parts of the protective case could be replaced in case of damage or lost. Now I will show you how to attach this case to the detector in a correct way. If you do it wrong, you will see the cross on the image or edges. Please make sure you make it carefully. You can see that the protective case consists of two halves. One of them has a cross in the center, another one doesn't. One with the cross is a back part, should be attached from the battery side of the detector. Another one from the front. You can also see notches. These notches must be aligned with active area of the detector. Once aligned, attach rubber straps. You're good to go. 1025F is our bendable detector. Consists of two parts. One is the detector itself, another one is electronic block. Let's take a closer look. This is a detector. It is in a protective case already. We do not recommend to remove it because of the inappropriate usage can cause a damage. It has an active area size of 10 by 25 centimeters in case of 1025F and 10 by 43 centimeters in case of 1043F. Let's take a look on electronic block. There is a handle attachment from one side, port for tether cable, Type-C port and buttons with screen. Power button. Screen shows the detector status, connection type and battery charge status. Next button allows to change a connection type, wireless or SCU mode. On the back side of the 1025 or 1043F detector electronic block you can find the battery slot. For the 1025F and 1043F bendable detectors, ensure that the connection cable is properly plugged in. Verify that the red dots on the connector and the port side are aligned. To open the battery slot, simply move these levers and open the hatch. Put the battery in correct polar, put the hatch back and move these levers back.